Hello everyone, and welcome to this video introducing the AI Assistant feature in LiDAR360 V9. LiDAR360 V9 has launched the revolutionary AI Assistant feature, providing you with a built-in intelligent software guide. Users can directly ask questions within the software about how to use its functions. Whether you are a beginner needing operational guidance or an experienced user confirming complex settings, the AI Assistant can instantly provide accurate answers. After launching the software, you will see an AI icon on the interface. Click the icon to log in. The first time you use it after startup, a login window will pop up. Enter your username and password as prompted to log in. If you don't have an account, you can create one first and then log in. After successfully logging in, move your mouse over the AI icon again and click to open the AI Q&A Assistant interface. The AI Q&A Assistant interface supports pinning the window, keeping it visible without minimizing it to a small icon. You can also click the dock button in the upper right corner of the interface to dock it within the main application window. Once docked, it can be restored to its original floating state. Now, you can start consulting it for questions related to the LiDAR360 software. For example, you can ask, "Please introduce EDL." After a short wait, the AI Assistant will provide an answer. If the initial response does not meet your needs, please refine your question with more specific details and try again. In the future, we will continue to deeply develop the AI Assistant to achieve let AI process data. That concludes the introduction to the AI Assistant. Thank you for watching.